Today, we're looking at this really nice solar panel from Kenwood. Yes, the same company that makes amplifiers, radios, and stuff like that. Just for fun, on top, there is the 13-inch Dell laptop, just for you to see how big it is. Overall, the solar panel is really nice. On top, you got the magnetic right here. So when you close it, it will latch onto each other like so. In the back, you get these pockets. Within the pockets, there's the cable itself for charging. I have no idea if this is standard or not, but basically you plug it into your portable power station, right? I have the Kenwood power station, so we can plug that in later, another video for the review of it. But for now, this is it. Interestingly enough, when you open up the zipper, there is USB-C and USB-A charging. That's right. This thing can charge by itself without any power station whatsoever. So just plug in your phone or tablet and it will charge up. No need for inverter or anything like that. It is straight DC to DC without any loss, such as going from DC to AC and then back to DC. That makes no sense whatsoever, right? Of course, on this side, there is the thing that you can open it up. So that way you can rest it 45-degree angle on the ground. On the other side, you got the same thing as well. Pop it out, and now it'll rest on the floor like so at about 45-degree angle. Yep, pretty good, right? All right, here we are on the deck of my house. One thing I should let you know is that it comes shipped in a really nice box container and foam. So I highly recommend keeping the foam for storage or carrying it around later. Right now we got the solar panels fully opened up and it is connecting to my phone. So it's DC to DC. Here on the phone you can see that it will take about 1 hour and 37 minutes until it's fully charged. That's not bad at all, right? That's pretty good. It was at 30% about a minute ago and now it's 34%. So 1 hour and 37 minutes until full is pretty reasonable. Alright, hopefully you found this video review on the Kenwood solar panel helpful. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.